How to create TikTok shop. In this video, we're going to be talking about TikTok shop and how you're going to be creating one for yourself. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to TikTok shop. Okay, and over here, you're going to click on get started. And once you click on get started, it says there's 4 main ways to shop. Okay, live shopping, shoppable videos, product showcase, and shop tab. So basically, according to these, you could either become a seller who basically sells products. Okay, then there's a creator that basically showcases the products that the sellers sell. Then there's partner. A partner is basically a person who generates leads and collaborations, gives training and development, or you could be an affiliate. So I'm going to be a seller because obviously that's what shop is about. And once you go on seller, you're going to go to learn more. And what this does is it brings you to the actual seller central. So over here, you're going to choose your region. So I'm going to go with Asia seller. And once you go to Asian seller, you're going to choose the region you're in, okay? And once you go ahead with that, what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to create an account, log in and everything. And once you do that, that is going to set your TikTok shop up. And that is how you are going to create a TikTok shop. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.